Hello everybody, welcome back, happy Thursday. So today we are making a mini egg surprise cake. I'm so excited. I love mini eggs so much, it's insane. So I figured I had to do an Easter recipe that is based on mini eggs because like it just wouldn't be right if I didn't. So today we are making a mini egg cake that is covered in mini eggs. I think it's so pretty. And when you slice into it, more mini eggs come like rolling out because like why not? Because everybody needs more mini eggs. You'd think this is sponsored by Cadbury, but it's not. Anyways, this is a vanilla cake. It's my favorite vanilla cake recipe, and I've dyed it to like for the inside to like look like mini eggs as well. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Anyways, let's get started and let's actually make it. Okay, so to bake the cake, you want to beat some butter and sugar with an electric mixer until it's pale and smooth. Add the vanilla extract and eggs one at a time, mixing with each addition. In a separate bowl, combine the flour, baking soda, and salt. Add this to the batter in 2 additions, alternating with some sour cream. Divide the batter into 4 bowls and dye them pale pink, pale blue, pale green, and pale yellow. Spoon the batter into greased and floured 6-inch round cake pans. And can we just have a moment to, like, I don't know, just like get excited about the fact that I finally bought smaller cake pans so that I don't have to trim the cakes. Like, I can't, okay, we're gonna have a minute. So many times when I'm making cake batter, I only had like 9-inch pans, and it takes so much cake batter to fill those up and to actually make like a cake that is taller than it is wide, and like that's what's trending now, especially all over Instagram. So when I had the 9-inch cake pans, it was like, oh, so frustrating. And so like, I don't know why it took me this long. Like, why did it take me like 4 years to be like, maybe smaller cake pans exist. So I went on Amazon and I bought 4 little 6-inch round cake pans from Wilton, and I'm so excited. So, oh yes, no more trimming the edges, no more trimming the edges. I'm so excited. Anyways, let's keep going. So you want to bake the cakes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, or until a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean, then cool completely. Then to make the buttercream, beat the butter with an electric mixer until it's pale and fluffy. Add some vanilla extract and the confectioner sugar 1 cup at a time, beating with each addition. Then to assemble your cake, slice the tops and bottoms off the cakes to smooth the surface and remove any excess browning. And the reason why we remove the browning from the bottom is so that when you slice the cake afterwards, you don't see that little like line of brown at the bottom of each layer, and it just looks like blocks of color. So it's purely an aesthetic reason for slicing off the bottom. Obviously the top makes it flat and nice, but if you don't care, then you don't have to do it, but I just think it looks like so much nicer when you do that. Stack the cakes in the order that you like and cut 3-inch round circles out of the center of the 2 middle cakes. Place the bottom cake without a hole on your desired cake stand and spread a ring of frosting around the edges of the cake. Place a cake with a hole on top, and then spread some more buttercream on top of that, and place the remaining cake with a hole on top of that. Then fill the cake with some mini eggs for filling, and you want to kind of pack the mini eggs in. Be very generous with how many mini eggs you're adding. Then spread some buttercream on the top cake, and then place the remaining whole cake on top. Cover the entire cake in a thin layer of buttercream, and this is called a crumb coat, and it's going to catch any little crumbs on the cakes. And pop it into the fridge for 30 minutes to chill. Then cover the entire cake in a thick, generous layer of buttercream. Stick mini eggs onto the cake either randomly, or you can group them together by like color in sets of 2, and then just slightly offset them in each layer to create a beautiful striped pattern. Then just slice and surprise your guests with an avalanche of mini eggs. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. I have a cream egg cake coming next week, and I'm so excited. So next Thursday is a cream egg cake, and I'm so excited. And I'm actually making it today, so. Anyways, if you guys try this out, please send me a photo at pankobunny on Twitter or Instagram. I love seeing every time you guys make my recipes. It's so cool. And if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that you're notified when tomorrow's video goes live. Tomorrow is a non-recipe video, and I'm filming in advance, so I don't know when I'm going to post yet. So it'll be a surprise for all of us. So anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!